In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import crypto CSV with Koinly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a transaction CSV into your Koinly account so your portfolio and tax reports stay accurate and up to date. Start on the Koinly dashboard. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the right workspace for the tax year you care about. From here, head to the wallet section. This is where Koinly groups all your exchanges, blockchains, and services. Keeping each source in its own wallet helps Koinly track cost basis and avoid confusion later. Choose Add Wallet or Exchange. You'll see a searchable list. Pick the exchange or blockchain that matches the CSV you exported. If you can't find an exact match, select the closest option or a generic wallet type that aligns with your data. The key is to keep transactions from the same source in the same wallet so Koinly can reconcile them correctly. Inside the wallet you selected, choose Import from File. We're using the file method here instead of an API, which is perfect if you already have a CSV from your provider. Before you upload, a quick tip. Use the original CSV exported from your exchange whenever possible. Avoid editing it in spreadsheet tools that can change date formats, remove leading zeros, or switch delimiters. If you did make changes, save again as a plain CSV. Click Browse and locate your CSV on your computer. Select the file and confirm. Another tip while you're here, make sure the CSV has a single header row and clearly labeled columns for date, currency amounts, and fees. If the export offers a dedicated Koinly format, use that. It minimizes cleanup. Also stick to one account or sub-account per CSV to prevent overlaps. Now click Import. Koinly will upload and process the transactions. This may take a moment if the file is large. If you're prompted to confirm column mappings or you see a notice about missing fields, just follow the on-screen guidance and continue. Koinly automatically ignores exact duplicates, so re-importing a newer statement later won't double count your data. If an error appears, check that you chose the correct wallet type and that the file isn't compressed or password protected. When the upload completes, click back to Wallets. You'll return to your list and see the wallet you just worked on, along with the latest import timestamp. That's your confirmation that the CSV is in. From here, you can open the wallet to review deposits, withdrawals, trades, and fees, but the import itself is done. That's all it takes to import a crypto CSV with Koinly. Save your original CSV for your records and use fresh exports when you add new activity to keep everything consistent